Hi there, let's practice speaking English together. I'll say something, then pause so you can respond out loud, like a real conversation. For example, I say, "What's your name?" You say, "My name is Anna." Easy, right? Let's get started. Hello, how's your day going? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Today, let's talk about our daily routines. What time do you usually wake up? Wow, that's early. What's the first thing you do? Do you eat breakfast? What time do you leave for work or school? What do you do during the day? What time do you start work or school? Do you have a lunch break? What time do you finish work or school? What do you do after work or school? That sounds nice. What do you usually eat for dinner? Do you do anything fun in the evening? What time do you go to bed? Is your routine different on weekends? What do you like to do on weekends? That sounds fun. Do you have a favourite weekend activity? It was great talking about our daily routines. I learned a lot. Let's talk again soon. Have a great day. That's it for today's conversation. What's your daily routine? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thanks for watching and see you next time.